The following tutorial shows how to access your intraoral scans in DS Core's media library through the SureSmile Ortho and Advanced portal. Let's begin. To access scans from DS Core Patient Media Library, we must first connect both platforms. Access the Administration and External Accounts section. Choose DS Core, then sign into your account. Your SureSmile and DS Core accounts are now configured to communicate. Let's proceed by adding scans from DS Core to our order. To do this, click on Upload Scan Data. You have two options for importing files. Please select Upload from DS Core. The system will automatically select the correct patient for you and only allow you to access eligible scan files from the DS Core Media Library. Scans conducted more than 3 months ago will not be shown here. After integrating the intraoral scans, you can continue as usual and upload photos and finalize the order form. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about New D's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.